Hi, I'm Xiaoquan Kong. Welcome to my lightning talk. Today, I will talk about new features on Chinese supporting of Rasa from the community. Here is about me. I am a Google developer expert in machine learning. I'm also a superhero of Rasa. I founded the Rasa Chinese community. Today, I will talk about two things. One is Chinese components, and another is channel connector for WeChat. Let's start with Chinese components. We'll focus on Chinese tokenizer because Chinese word segmentation is complicated and no tokenizers can work perfectly. Wrong word segmentations will lead to better results and will have such issue called misaligned entity annotation. And sadly, almost every Chinese developer has encountered this problem. So we decided to make our own custom Chinese tokenizer. Bird tokenizer is a perfect tokenizer for Chinese. Because it treats every single Chinese character as a token. So no misaligned issue at all. We designed our Chinese tokenizer as a client-server architecture because we try to avoid the potential conflict of the dependency. Our components act as a client and it don't have any dependency. And the actually tokenization work are sent to our service provider, and it is running in a separated process. The second thing I want to talk about is channel connector for WeChat. Communicate with users through WeChat is very important because WeChat is the most popular IM in China. Its market position is similar to Facebook plus Twitter. Unfortunately, unlike the Facebook Messenger, WeChat has no public APIs for developers. And fortunately, we have many talent developers who had made some hacking product to provide APIs for WeChat. And this makes it possible to make a channel connector for WeChat. Here's our WeChat connector for the channel connector for WeChat still in beta, and it has two parts. The first part is WeChat service. It will run in a separate process, and it as a WeChat client, and it make WeChat client API accessible. And another part is Rasa connector, Rasa with connector, and the connector can receive the request through the IPC from the WeChat service, and it can send a request, send a response to the WeChat through the IPC. Here is a short demo. I will demo a very simple boat, Rasa boat called Silly. It's a weather boat, and which is running on my laptop. And I will send a request to the Silly, and I will receive responses from Silly via WeChat. In this demo, I will ask tomorrow's weather condition in Shanghai. Let's start the demo. Let's see the demo. Here I'll type in some Chinese text. It's me in English. In English is how is the weather tomorrow? And see the responses with where, and I say in Shanghai. And Sally says the weather in Shanghai tomorrow will be blah 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 blah. And that's our demo. all those things, Chinese Recognizer and channel connector for WeChat, are open sourced. You can get the source from here, from this URL. And if you have any question, please contact with me. That's my email, and you can ask me anything in the GitHub. And that's all. Thank you for watching.